Within you lies a wellspring of healing power, a source of peace and vitality waiting to be unlocked. This power, often dormant and untapped, is accessible through the practice of meditation. Meditation is not just an ancient practice, it is a scientific method for tapping into your inner pharmacy. It's a journey inward, a return to the stillness that holds the key to unlocking your full potential. This essay will be your guide on this transformative journey. We'll explore the profound connection between meditation and healing, delving into the scientific evidence that supports its effectiveness. You'll encounter inspiring stories of individuals who have used meditation to overcome challenges and embrace a life of greater well-being. Most importantly, you'll receive a clear, step-by-step guide to begin your own meditation practice. Whether you're seeking relief from stress, emotional healing, or simply a deeper connection with yourself, meditation offers a path to unlock your innate healing power. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the transformative potential that awaits within. Meditation, once considered a mystical practice, is now recognized by science for its profound effects on the brain and body. Studies show that regular meditation can reduce stress hormones, lower blood pressure, and improve sleep quality. It strengthens the immune system, enhances emotional regulation, and increases focus and concentration. Neuroscience reveals that meditation actually changes the structure of our brains. It increases gray matter in areas associated with attention, compassion, and emotional regulation. This means that meditation not only helps us feel better in the moment, but it also rewires our brains for lasting well-being. Meditation also helps to regulate the body's stress response. When we're stressed, our sympathetic nervous system kicks in, releasing hormones like cortisol. Over time, chronic stress can lead to a host of health problems. Meditation helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxation and healing. By calming the mind and body, meditation creates an optimal environment for healing to occur. It allows us to tap into our inner resources, fostering a sense of peace, clarity, and resilience. The science is clear. Meditation is a powerful tool for unlocking your body's natural healing abilities. Countless individuals have experienced profound healing through meditation. One such story is that of Sarah, a young woman who suffered from debilitating anxiety. Overwhelmed by worry and fear, Sarah felt trapped in a cycle of negative thoughts. Desperate for relief, she turned to meditation. Through consistent practice, Sarah began to notice subtle shifts. She became more aware of her thoughts, able to observe them without judgment. Her anxiety lessened, replaced by a growing sense of inner peace. Meditation empowered Sarah to reclaim her life, freeing her from the grip of anxiety. John, a successful businessman, found himself battling burnout and insomnia. The demands of his work had taken a toll on his health and well-being. Seeking solace and rejuvenation, John embarked on a meditation journey. to his surprise, meditation not only improved his sleep, but also enhanced his focus and creativity at work. These stories are not isolated incidents. They represent the transformative power of meditation. From chronic pain sufferers finding relief to cancer patients experiencing greater peace, meditation offers a beacon of hope. It reminds us that within each of us lies an innate capacity for healing and wholeness. Embarking on a meditation journey is easier than you might think. Follow these simple steps to begin your own practice. 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a calm and peaceful environment where you can relax without distractions. This could be a dedicated meditation room, a cozy corner in your home, or even a peaceful spot in nature. 2. Get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position, either on a cushion or chair, with your spine erect but not rigid. Rest your hands gently on your lap or knees. If you're sitting on a chair, keep your feet flat on the floor. 3. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes gently and turn your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. Don't try to control your breath, simply observe it as it flows in and out. 4. Embrace your thoughts. As you meditate, thoughts will inevitably arise. Don't judge yourself or try to push them away. Simply acknowledge them as passing clouds in the sky and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Breathwork, your anchor to the present moment. Your breath is your constant companion, a powerful tool for anchoring yourself to the present moment. In meditation, breathwork serves as a focal point, drawing your attention away from distracting thoughts and emotions. As you focus on your breath, you cultivate a state of mindfulness, observing your inner world with curiosity and acceptance. There are various breathwork techniques you can explore in your meditation practice. One simple yet effective technique is diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. To practice diaphragmatic breathing, place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. As you inhale, allow your belly to expand, filling your lungs with air. As you exhale, gently contract your abdominal muscles, releasing the breath slowly and fully. This type of breathing activates the relaxation response, calming your nervous system and reducing stress. Another powerful breathwork technique is alternate nostril breathing, or nadi shodhana. This technique involves using your thumb and ring finger to alternately close off one nostril while inhaling and exhaling through the other. Alternate nostril breathing is said to balance the left and right hemispheres of the brain, promoting emotional equilibrium and mental clarity. Cultivating mindfulness, a journey of awareness. Meditation is not about emptying your mind. It's about becoming more aware of its contents. Mindfulness, a key component of meditation, involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations with curiosity and acceptance. As you practice mindfulness, you begin to notice patterns in your thinking. You may become aware of negative thought loops that contribute to stress and anxiety. Mindfulness empowers you to step back from these thoughts, recognizing them as simply thoughts, not facts. Cultivating mindfulness extends beyond your formal meditation practice. You can bring this awareness to everyday activities, such as eating, walking, or even washing dishes. By paying attention to the sensory details of these experiences, you infuse your life with a sense of presence and appreciation. Mindfulness helps you to break free from autopilot mode, living more fully in each moment. It allows you to savor the simple joys of life, appreciate the beauty around you, and connect more deeply with yourself and the world. Embracing emotions, a path to inner peace. Emotions, both pleasant and unpleasant, are an integral part of the human experience. However, we often try to suppress or avoid difficult emotions, leading to further suffering. Meditation teaches us to embrace our emotions with compassion and understanding. As you meditate, you may notice emotions arising. Instead of resisting them, acknowledge their presence with kindness. Observe them without judgment, noticing the sensations they create in your body. Allow yourself to feel your emotions fully, without getting swept away by them. Meditation helps you to develop a healthier relationship with your emotions. You learn that emotions are transient, like waves that rise and fall. You realize that you are not your emotions, but rather the observer of your emotions. This realization brings a sense of freedom and peace. By embracing your emotions with mindfulness, you develop emotional resilience. You're better able to navigate life's challenges without being overwhelmed by difficult emotions. You learn to respond to situations with greater wisdom and compassion. Resources for growth. Deepen your practice. As you embark on your meditation journey, there are numerous resources available to support your growth. Guided meditations available online or through mobile apps can provide structure and guidance, especially for beginners. These meditations often incorporate soothing music, nature sounds, or spoken instructions to help you relax and focus. Joining a meditation group or finding a meditation teacher can also enhance your practice. Connecting with others who meditate creates a sense of community and support. A qualified meditation teacher can offer personalized guidance, address your specific needs, and help you deepen your understanding of meditation. Reading books or listening to podcasts on meditation can further enrich your journey. Explore different meditation techniques, learn about the science behind meditation, and gain insights from experienced practitioners. Remember, your meditation journey is unique to you. Experiment with different approaches and find what resonates most with you. Conclusion: your journey to wholeness begins now. Unlocking your healing power through meditation is a journey, not a destination. It's a practice that requires patience, consistency, and self-compassion. There will be days when your mind is calm and focused, and days when it races with thoughts. Be kind to yourself on this journey and remember that every moment is an opportunity to begin anew. The benefits of meditation unfold gradually over time. With regular practice, you'll notice subtle shifts in your well-being. You'll experience greater peace, clarity, and resilience. You'll develop a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. Meditation empowers you to live a more conscious, fulfilling, and meaningful life. As you continue on your meditation journey, remember that you are not alone. Millions of people around the world have discovered the transformative power of meditation. Embrace the practice with an open heart and a curious mind, and witness the profound healing that unfolds within you. Your journey to wholeness begins now.